Oh my god. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Gardner coming at you with another vlog, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a new thing to do. This is not the usual travel vlog. It's not a sit-down vlog as well. But I'm here at my home and we're going to redo or make up my room first. Sorry, spin bag ko. I'm going to show you my room, my very dirty room. Disclaimer, wala po akong ginagalaw sa loob ng room ko. Wala akong inayos at wala akong ginulo. What you're going to see is as it is. So let's go. So this is my room. As you open, ganda na ba kayo? Wow! Sobrang gulo. Okay, so basically this is my room. Yan, napakagulo, no? May batya na hindi ko maintindihan. Napakadaming gamit. There's a lot of things that I don't need. At may panakot ng daga. Ayan. So yeah, my plan is, first of all, clean up the mess. I don't know kung paano ko ito sisimulan, pero that's the main goal. And then what I'm going to do now is paint these walls, paint all of my walls to, this is like white kasi, pero it's not that white. So I'm going to paint it Davis, yeah, Wisp of White. So hindi to sponsored. This part, so I want to have an accent wall. Kasi right now, I have an accent wall, but it's right there. It's yellow and I don't like the color. So I want this to be gray, white, and white. Yeah, without further ado, let's get painting. So I bought this in Ace Hardware, as this is old na. This is for 389 pesos. Meron na siyang roller, and meron na siyang tray. I don't know kung magkano to, I forgot. Pero this is the smallest I could get. Yeah, there's no choice. So yeah, let's start. I decided to paint these walls first without moving much of my stuff first. Kasi ayoko maglagay ng kalat sa labas. Kasi ang nanay ko, baka magbunga nga. So just move some stuff out of the way first. Tapos paint this wall. Yan. So let's start. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you could see it, but this is the color Seal Gray. Oh my god, oh diba? Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Kasi ayan yung Seal Gray. Kasi ito yung, oh ba? Ito yung Wisp of White. Oo, hindi kita, no? Ayan, ito yung Wisp of White. Parang may pagka-pink siya. This is the Seal Gray. Padaming kalat. Whew! Actually, I don't know how to paint. So good luck sa akin. Ba't ba ako nakasalamin? Napaka-idiot. Let's open this. Ah! Let's use the new one. Ano ba? So let's do this. Let's open this. How do I open this? Ano ba to? Ano ba to buksan? Break. Tab and pull away. What? Napuputol yung tabi. Hala ka, ayun. Hala! Nalagyan yung kamay ko. Ano to? Lord 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god! Tama ba to? Ah! So, quick update. I kinda finished this part of the wall. Ayan. It's the first layer pa lang. This, I painted it na from yellow, from that color. This, may taas pa to. So, I'm kinda halfway there. So, I painted these two walls, pero not yet the top kasi hindi ko maabot. Kanina, this wall was that color and now it's white. Hello! Yeah, kaya ko talaga to.
A few inches later.
And now I'm on the second floor of my room. Going to paint this part. Kasi I'm done with that. Now it's this time. Pagod na ako, pero kaya ko pa. Okay? Leonardo da Vinci is shaking. And so now I finally finished painting these walls white, pati yung sa taas. And now, finally I'm going to start with this wall. I'm going to paint it gray. You boring wall, you're going to be gray na. So, it's time for the gray. So I washed this na din because finally. Whoa! Okay. Oh! Tuluan. Whoa! Whoa. So, my gray wall is on their way. Yeah. To be honest, I don't know what to feel about it just yet. Maybe it's not yet done. That's why I don't know. Pero, yeah. Let's see.
Eventually.
Galing. Nalaglag yung alkansya ko. Nabasag siya. Amazing. Basag na po ang aking alkansya.
1 hour later.
So, we just came back from SM. I already finished this side. Okay. Ayan, no? We bought a, what do you call this? Light. Basta itong mahabang light. For here, pakakalat pa rin ang kwarto ko.
Meanwhile.
So, kanina, kinakabit namin to. Ito, napakagaling ni siya. Kinakabit. Magkadikit ang positive at negative. Pagkasaksak, ayun, no? Sumabog. Good thing na lang, best in robotics ako ng grade 7. Hi, robotics teacher. Pagana ko siya. We are done with painting. Oh my god, di ko pala na-paint yung side na yun. So, sipag naman. So, my god. It's so dirty.
The following day.
So, it's day 2 of redecorating, cleaning our room. One greatest tip for everyone is 5S. Ano ang 5S? Let's know from the expert. Miss, ano po yung 5S?
Sweep, sanitize, sort, self-discipline. I forgot mo pang may
Kaya po ganyan ang mukha niya kasi nagpaano siya.
nagpa-fractional laser.
Oh, mayaman. I'll just put the 5th one here. So finally, after more than a day of painting and cleaning my room, I'm finally done. And it's reveal time! So finally, here it goes. And there you go. That used to be the white wall, then that used to be a yellow wall. I changed the cover so it matches the color of the room. Put the study table here. Yan. Then I also put a light here so when I'm studying, it's well lit. For the second floor, beside the ladder, I put these paintings. So let's go up. Ayan. So there's another small bedroom here with me. That's me. Hello. So, ayan. I just arranged my books, vacuumed it, there. Oh, this is my room. The used to be so kalat room. Now, it's kind of decent, I think. So, tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share this video to your friends. Give me your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, this is Casey Gardner, where your world meets mine, coming out. Bye!